Hey, you guys. We're going to do, you've seen the title, a Bonfire Night, Guy Fawkes Night, whatever you want to call it. What's something happening there? It's a bush. 354 slots with fire in the name. Can we get 5 bonuses? But we're going to do the random money picker. All right, we're going to the Goonies Deluxe Rapid Fire Jackpots. I'm not sure it's on my casino yet, bugger. I'll go down the line because I know people get triggered if I have to come back and do another duck race. So I'll go round. I'll go to this ultimate flyer, pirate, fire ship, whatever it says. How much we're playing each one for? Holy shit. The first one could be the rinser. And how many dead spins are we trying to avoid? So this is the avoid dead spins bonus hunt. I've got man flu. But I'll try and battle through it. I know this is hard work. All right, 13. This could be a very short bonus hunt money-wise. All right, this could be a bad idea. The first one on it that's actually there and working is Jin's Moon 5. It's like the 5th on the list. I'll try to keep well, 13. Can I do 13 dead spins? I've not kept count to start with. It's been a few now, hasn't there? Fuck, maybe I should have kept count. Alright, oh, wait, bonus anyway. We call this a bonus feature. We gotta call this a feature, haven't we? We've gotta call it a bonus. Go on then. You want me to press it? Give us a star. Come on, hit something. Hit it. 10 prizes collected. It was £6 down. So that was probably 12. Maybe that was a 13th spin. Because it was £6 down. Oh, bloody hell, it got to 19 quid. I wasn't even looking there. I won't class it as a bonus, maybe. But we're going to move on. So maybe I'll move... you know what I'm doing. Dubious bonus committee, you get involved. Yeah, so that was all the way down to Fireblaze Jin's Moon. This was there but didn't fit. Didn't work. The others weren't there. Oh, bloody! I'm waving a thing around on the wrong page. All right, let's go again. I don't know whether that should be classed as a bonus or not, but let's just see how the rest of the damn video goes. All right, Extreme Fireblaze Roulette. All right, we're not going to play roulette, so what else we're going to play? Mega Fireblaze Jackpot Legacy of the Tiger. Nice short name, rolls off the tongue. Fireworks Blessing, Aztec Fire. I've never heard of any of these. How much you play for? 20p. How many dead spins? I will count this time. 8. All right, about 8th on the list again was Wildfire Winds Extreme. 8 dead spins to play with. Third spin bonus. No second dead spin. Alrighty. Reset Queen. Jack King 10 Ace. Jack King 10 Ace. Oh, that's all. I've played this before. What do we need here? That was the 6th dead spin. 7. 7 wilds everywhere. Still misses. 8 misses. Dead spinning out. Alright, ducks on the way. No good, whatever that extreme one was. Fireworks Megaways. He's beaten by Firestorm Bingo. Again, we're not going to be pissing about with bingo, slingo, roulette, blackjack. Fireworks Megaways made it second. Bugger. How much we playing Fireworks Megaways for? 30p. How many dead spins is it playing with? Ooh, 13 mathematics. Oh shit. You know, fancy making it a bit fucking bigger. There's no 30p, so we're going to go 20. So Dragon's Fire. I can't be asked to change the screen. It's got 13 dead spins. I've played this before, but I can't remember much about it. Free spin. ×2. I don't think this is going to do 13 free spins, so we could really do... I mean dead spins. So we could really do with the bonus. After I said that, this is the 10th dead spin. This is the 11th dead spin. 12th dead spin. Oh, it saves itself. It saves itself with an 8p. Any chance, Red Tiger? Hey, oh, what's happened? ×2, 4, 5. 5 times fuck all though? That was amazing. Was it the next spin? Fucking hell. Right, this is the 10th dead spin. Not dead spin. Yes, this needs to bonus. What's happening? Come on. Just fucking teased. No, it's on. Fireworks setting dog off. Oh, go on then. Dragon. That money. Times 10. Times 40. 74p. Oh, here it is. Multiply. But now you've got to hit something, right? Get the old dragon to come off the side. Nothing. What the fucking actual point is that? Fucking right, Red Tiger. Shite day. 4.5 minutes. I suppose 10 minutes should be an outshot as well, because it's not going to dead spin 13 in a row. Maybe it will, but... 94p! Yeah, because it's £9.30 down in 5 minutes. Here it comes again. Do the whole lot. Free spins! Oh, drop a bonus. Go on. Go on. Oh, that's the first fucking bonus tease in 5 minutes. This is the 10th dead spin. Oh, bonus it in. Bonus it in. Come on. Red Tiger. Go. Would it fucking kill you? Mr. Tiger, would it kill you? Now, there's only any point if this hits something. Oh, it's going to keep going up as it hits, does it? Oh, right. Then it missed. One dead spin. Yeah, give us eyeballs everywhere. Alright, so the first hit lights it up and the second one hits it, makes it 2x. It's only told me, it took me 6.5 minutes and playing it before to realise that. Dragon Balls. Dragon Balls. Oh, fucking hell. Leave the wilds on the end there if they're not being used. Come on, hit something else this time. Free spin would come in handy. Oh, come on, do it. Do it. Come on. Fucking tease a bit longer. Yes! Oh! Here comes the dragon. Oh, go on, fill it up. Cheers, buddy. £2.50, needed it. Needs a lot more than £2.50. Ooh! Drop that on your £2.50. Times 10. Dragon! Bonuses again. I was about to say do the bonus thing. Do the bonus teaser-thon. Come on, just hit it then. Fucking point. Nobody never hits. Lost count of dead spins now. Alright, I've been playing 8.5 minutes. It's 12 quid down. The Castle Main hitting something would come in handy. It didn't. Free spins. Do free spins. Free spins. Alright, snaky. Give us a monster hit. Roar. 18 times 2p. 6p. Any chance of hitting anything? Lions? Oh, you teasing twat. Lion? It's not a lion, it's a dragon. Come on now. Come on. Yes! That was a 9th dead spin, by the way. First bonus of the video. How did I win 20 quid on that first game? And I suppose it took a bit to get in. I didn't run on 15, 14. Yeah, this is, well, yes, 14, 46 down. Pick one. That one. 14. Is that good? Yes, it is. I've got the vestige. All right, come on. Any chance of an half-decent Red Jackie? Jackie Kitchen, thanks for subscribing. All right. Get out of here, Jackie. Thanks, though. Right, what do we need? We need some hits. We could do with the dragon. Multiplier goes up. Where's how many? Oh, yeah. Right at the top. Says 10 to go. Go on, re-trigger. Re-trigger. Bosh! Go on, do it. Yeah! It's safe to say you've hit fuck all in 7 spins. Anything will do, won't it? Dragon? Is a dragon turning up? Is a free spin just a block on the first line? Or does it actually hit? It's happened 3 times in like 8 spins, hasn't it? Alright. Get to some money spins, come on. Oh, come on. Where's the dragon? Come on. Come on, because you've done this 4 times now. Come on. Fucking shite. Eyeball it then. Fucking rubbish. What's he doing? Go on, keep going, eh? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Nice of you to turn up on the last fucking spin, though. Alright. Another slot machine that bonuses and loses £11. But that is definitely the first bonus of the video. Right, where we're going next. Avoid the dead spins. Wildfire West. Ultra Blaze Firelink. How much are we playing Wildfire West for? 20p. How many dead spins does it have to avoid? Ooh, 12. Alright, Ultra Blazing Firelink. 12 dead spins to avoid. Bonus to drop. Video is 60p down after 1 bonus. Tad slow on the spin, this one. Oh, it found one. Found a 6p on the 8th spin. This is a thriller minute. Wow, any chance of fucking putting a rod up its arse here because it's so slow. Oh, the rings do. What are the wild? The rings are wild. Bonus time. Thanks very much. Ring-a-ling-a-ding. Come on. As slow as this is spinning, it's 3 quid down. Oh, ball it up. Need 4. Whew. Oh. I'm calling it. ball. Feature lever. It's a feature lever, I think. We're gonna have to. Bonus committee needs to declare whether these ball things are bonuses. Spins remaining. Just get on with it. Keep finding them. Come on. Last spin. That was shit. How much you get to? £4.32. It's down. It's up. Amazingly, it's up. One bonus, two features. Video's 80p up, 40p up. Alright. Upski netski. 5 dice fire. It sounds like we ain't playing it, but we're going to play Book of Hot Fire. How much are we playing it for? 40p. How many deadids? How many dead spins? 9. Alright, Book Hot Fire. Dave, yeah, what should we call our slot? Book Hot Fire. Was that it? Yeah, Book Hot Fire. Oh, I didn't count them, I did dead spins. That's alright. Just Book Hot, yeah. Book of the Hot Fire? No, Book Hot Fire. Book a Hot Fire. No, Book Hot Fire. Will it have a bonus? Nah. Go on. Show us all right. Show us it's a different world in November. Ooh, Queenie. Bah! What's that? Where's the win amount? Am I going blind? Bet 40. Oh, right at the top. £1.60. Go on, find it, because you're £4.20 down in 2 minutes. Show us the long eagle. 7th. Rescued. 7th. Oh, dead spin. 8th. Dead spin. 9th. Go on, bonus on it because you've got to hit now. You've got to hit. Fuck! Right, that lost £12.60 in 3 minutes. Fucking love it. Right, the ducks are away. Fireborn. Never heard of it. Retro Fire. Well, we've just played Book Hot Fire. Fireborn for 40p. How many dead spins is the Fireborn? Holy shit, 14. Alright, it was quite far down the list. Super Fire 7s. 14 dead spins. Boom, boom, boom. Oh! I don't know how many spins that was. It was about 5 or 6. The stars are the bonus, aren't they? £21. And the stars are the bonus, aren't they? No? I thought the stars were the bonus. Maybe not. Pink. Do you get a star in every... Why? You need to get 5 stars. 100x in the base is an outshot, but it's 40p a spin, isn't it? So it worth 100x. Just in case you were wondering like me. Well, 10th. Dead spin. Oh, it just wins the stars. The stars can just hit anywhere. So does it have a bonus? Probably should look. Melons! Which is exciting. Give us another monster hit, because this is the 10th dead spin. 11th dead spin. Oh! Oh, fire! What? Fire 7s must be different. £6.72 though. Thanks so very much. Put a fire 7. Like that. But bring some friends with it. Wild! 5 of a kind melons. Melon! Dun, 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 dun. Don't forget the oranges. Alright. £6.32. Was that exactly the same as that last hit? Come on. Stars in your eyes everywhere. Five of a kind oranges. 96 of them. Plums. Do we think there's a bonus on this or not? Read the rules. Read the rules. I've been playing for 6 minutes. I have been playing for 6 minutes. I don't know what I was going to say. It's £22 up. Melons! £3.28. Come on, give us some fiery 7s everywhere. Oh, any kind of 7. Belly! Boom, 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 boom. £4. It's playing alright, isn't it? 7 minutes in, 20 quid up. Belly! Not this time. Orange. Alright. Oh! It's a broken. I had a quick look at the rules. It was 22 quid up that. 5 stars is 2,500x. And the wild doesn't substitute the star. So I got 4 stars, didn't I? Take 5 red hot, 5 pie, 5 hot. Alright. Still looking for a second bonus of the video. Can I call them features bonuses because I don't have to be here for flipping ever. 20p. Ooh, 8 dead spin. Alright, next on the list was Fire Toad. If it loads. Has it been a friend to the channel? I feel like it was the first time I played it, but it's been shite ever since. Play and go with all your money. Any chance of loading? Did eventually. Alright, it's got 8 dead spins to play with. Looking for the second bonus of the video. Hey, hey, hey! Come on. Find your mate. Don't be alone. Don't be alone. Oh, I was just about to say that would be the 6th dead spin. It didn't make any money, that did it? So this is 6 dead spin. This is 7th dead. It's not. It hits. Saved itself on 7. Come on, bonus, you bag of balls. Fifth dead spin. 6th dead spin. 7th dead spin. Fire Toad wasn't to be again. Alright, a fiery bonus would come in handy. Firefighter. Fireblaze Firefighter. Double fire. Double fire, Fireblaze Firefighter. How much you playing it for? 30p. How many dead spins is it gonna get? 9. Well, not only is it there, it has a 30p spin. So 9 spins for Firefighter, Fireblaze. Any chance of a bonus? This is a 6th dead spin. That was the 7th. That's the 8th. 9 dead spins and out. It is what it is. Don't start getting arse on. I'm the one that has to load the bastard game. You can just sit there and watch it. I can't give me head. I keep swapping games. Keep doing blah, blah, blah. Some fucking right monks in comments. It's another busy day for you, isn't it? Alright, Spear of Fire. 40p. Can we have a bonus on 40p? Woo, you're only getting 7. Alright, it's the same sort of party. 7 dead spins. Key, whatever. Ba, ba, ba. 5th. Dead spin. 6 dead spin. Fucking slot machines, man. I remember when I first started thinking like 5 dead spins in a row would be massively rare. And then 10, then 20. And it's just not, is it? 30p. God of Fire, I think it said. Fucking hell, 4 dead spins. Good luck. Alright, next one is Ultra Hot Fire. 4 dead spins. There isn't a 30p spin. That's 1 dead spin. That's 2 dead spins. 3 dead spins. Fuck. Alright, for anybody wondering why I'm not playing the one that comes through, they weren't there. I got all the way down to 6 in the race there, so it is what it is. I get it, it's different. If you don't like it, just don't watch. You don't have to go, I don't like this. I don't like watching this. Just play a slot. Stick to a slot. Like, fucking hell. Try and do something different. Fucking ducks don't work now, ever. Oh, fucking hell. Everything's going wrong. I've reset the ducks, but I've done it on a 10-minute race. Fuck. Maybe this was too much for a Manflu event. I'm lagging now. Ultra Rush Skyfire. How much? Holy fucks. How many spins? Ooh. What's that say? 9? Alright, Fire Archer, it's on you. 50p spins. Would really come in handy if you found a good one. Oh, what's that do? Bonus! Why do you shoot at both targets? Scatter! This is the 7th dead spin. 8th dead spin. Come on, for fuck's sake! Fucking £5 down. 1 minute 20. Alright, the ducks are away again. Any chance? Asgardian Fire. What else? Wildfire, where's the fire? Wildfire. Blah, 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 blah. 50p again, random. Jesus, get the numbers up, you twat bag. 10. Alright, Asgardian Fire. It's got a max bet button, which I think is shitty. It's got 10 dead spins to play with. This would be a good slot to get a bonus. I mean, any slot would be good to get a bonus. I mean, 50p, really, more than out. It's very elkish, this, isn't it? We're going to get all the way up to the top to the fire to get a bonus? Is that the theory? Oh, what's that? Oh, that didn't help. Oh, big old boy. Does it hit out, though? Does the big old boy hit out? Oh, it needs that green thing on the front. Fucking come on, man. Jackie Chan. Go on, get up there. One more. 11,000 ways. Ace. Green. Green in the middle. Got to the top. Seems very easy, that. It was £1.80 down. Thank you. Is the top the bonus or not? No. Oh. Alright. 8th. 9th. Oh, I saved it. So it got to the top, then 9 dead spinned. Any clue how to get the bonus? Top of the shop. Oh, how the fuck is that? 262,144 ways to win. Fuck all. I like brick breakers though. Look how close that is now to max bet. You fucking steaming pile of shit. Hey up! What the fuck is that then? We've got to get more of them. Ooh! Oh, it's... And misses. Big win! Holy shit. The big old boy was worth some money. £1.40 up. 5 minutes in. Oh, tell me something hits there. Oh! King, king. King-a-ling. No. Way up. Ready. Player. No good to be there, buddy. Red on 2. Whatever that is, probably the bonus, isn't it? Queen. Or don't. The slots still have bonuses. Ace. Purple. Oh, go on up front. Jack-chan. Drop a friend. Drop a friend. Fucking hell, drop more of them. Tell me something hits on 262,144 ways to hit at the top. £6.80. It's a fiver up. It's £11.30 up. Oh, for no same. Seventh. Dead spin. 8th. 9th. This is it. I wanted to see how that bonused. £5 it won. Escalating. Wild feature. Empty spaces. Scatter. Second chance. Every second scatter that lands. Free space. You need 3 scatters. I didn't even see 2. Alright. Any chance the second flipping bonus of the video? Fire in the hole! I don't need to do that because we know that's there. But how much? 50p would be nice. 30p. How many? 10. Dead. Spins. Doggy. Alright. I've broken from the norm. I'm going to go. There's no 30p. So I'm going to give it a 40p spin with the X bet on. Fire in the hole can be the rescuer. I'm not going to say it's the last slot of the day. 10 dead spins to play with. Come on, Fire. I feel like I've been at it ages now. Just one bonus now, and I'm job done, out of here. Fire can choose to rescue the video or not. As usual. Oh, come on. Find it, Fire. Find it. Finds it! 4th bonus of the video. It's the second actual bonus, and I've sort of broke rules. If it RTP lands, I'm finishing it at this. 2 bonuses, 2 videos in a day that have actually broke even. What does it need, like 50x? More than that, doesn't it? I don't know. The brain is not working fully. The dog's nudging me because he wants to go out. So Fire. Beer on 3, 4, 5. Come on. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to need something to stick. 10. Oh, come on, you RTP landing bastard. Hit. Bonfire. That's what I meant. Dynamite. Bonfire. Done again. Oh, alright, Castlemaine 5x. Find the 20x so that you've got in there somewhere. Come on, find the persistent collector 5x something. Come on. Don't be a snorter. Don't be a snorter. It did though, didn't it? Another RTP land. Video wins 53p. I'm bored. I'm sure you're bored. I think sticking to set slots like that and an elk or and maybe taking a minimum 10 dead spins might be an ideal way of doing it. Just something random for fireworks night. I know it's probably boring. I know it's annoying when you're jumping around slot to slot, but to do 2 quite long bonus hunts. I don't know if that's been that long. It's felt long because I'm dying of man flu. But yeah, 2 bonus hunts, 50p up. For today, the slots are up 50 pence. Well, this is tomorrow actually. I'll probably put this out tomorrow because it's bonfire night. But you know, there's no point if it's not doing anything to piss it off too much, is it? Whew. As I say always, the views pay the bills. The views will always pay the bills. The slots can join the party whenever they want, but generally they don't. All the stats on punkslots.com. Come and join the Discord, link below. Challenges. I'm going to start a place on the Discord where you can submit challenges, and then I can show you ones that are going on and where I'm at with it. And maybe somewhere else if people keep asking for same slots. Frequent ask slots section where you can see that I've already played a lot of things. The dog is looking at me like I can't turn it because it'll... What's up? Yeah. Keep it low. Keep it real. Only gamble what you can afford to lose because the slots usually take all the bloody money, don't they? But with somehow 2 videos with that balance. Breaking the absolute mind at the start of the month. The start of the month conspiracy theorists. When the fun stops, fire in the hole. Ciao for now. Thanks for watching. Punk out.